Company drivers, listen up. Are you looking to take control of your earning potential? Here are 4 steps to making 6 figures as an owner-operator in your first year. 1. Choose the right truck. For short or long hauling, our inventory has you covered. We will walk you through the process of selecting the perfect rig for your business. Step 2. Understanding your expenses. Break down the cost of fuel, maintenance, insurance, and more. We will help you create a budget that maximizes your profits. Step 3. Learn how to maximize profits on the road. From optimizing routes to managing load schedules, we've got the tips and tricks to keep your business rolling smooth. Step number 4. Build a successful business on the road. Discover strategies to attract and retain clients. Establish a strong reputation and secure consistent contracts. DM me to get into your truck today with a hassle-free, fast approval with no hard credit check.